I got these memories. They keep haunting me. Running down memory lane. The road burning behind me.
Hello, my beauties. I've just made a cup of tea. I'm trying to get this one uploaded for you quick, but bleed not. Let me have a chat with you. Where are you? Come here, you little buggers. What you doing? Well, fucking phone. Well, my lovelies, my hands are too big, too small. Well, my lovelies, I've been out and done a bit of washing. As you're about to see, the local area at Thetford where we stay, there's a decent laundrette there, and I've been out with Mr. Hewitt today, so there's a special guest star on, and it's Scruffy. So it's a little bit of Scruffy in there as well. I hope you enjoy this one. It's just a quick one, let you know what's going on. It's washing day. It's one of them. But, yeah, give a wave out to Mr. Hewitt, old Richard. He's on there as well. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy this little one. I'll see you very soon. Ta-ra for now. Good morning, my lovelies. How are you? I'm here with the big boy.
I'm the chauffeur today.
Washing day. It's washing day. So he likes to bring me along so he don't have to move out of that seat, and he can watch his laundry going man to man from there. And it's not one of your, what do they call it? It's not one of your petrol station ones, mate. It's proper laundry. All right, mate. Go steady. Yeah, that cost a fortune. These are cheap, mate. It's £4 a wash, £2 a dry, something like that. Something stupid. Mine will be £6 today. Richard's will be 37 quid because he's got 13 machines.
And my clothes are twice the size of yours.
Anyway, I'll spin you round and get you looking. And here we have the laundrette. Here we have Mr. Hewitt, look. Camouflaged, he is camouflaged. Right. This is our usual laundry for Thetford. Yeah, it's £4 a wash for the small machines, £7 for a large, or £9 for an extremely large. Your dryers, you've got big dryers, 4 small and 4 big. Yeah, normally £2 or £3 normally sorts your little £4 wash out, so it's only £7 in here. But what a lovely little laundry. There's a little corner shop over the road there. We can park right outside. How lovely is that? I'm just going into the corner shop. I might take you in with me. And boom, I'm back in the room. And got someone here who wants to have a look at you. Look, who else is here? It's Scruffy. See, Jules? She's over 20 years old, mate. I'll put it down to Duracells. Richard said it makes his fingers stink when he has to change the batteries. But, yeah. Are you happy there, Scruff? Look, Scruffy's waving at you. Now you've seen her. Let's go and have a look, see what he stops in the corner shop. bring you along with me. I'll try to anyway. You know I don't like filming in public with people watching me because it's not good. And I'm filming someone who's filming me. Oh, hi, mate. I want a pork pie and I want a loaf of bread.